I got my hair washed and braided on Tuesday, day before yesterday. Tell me why I've just been notified from the coordinator of a shoot I have tomorrow, a brand shoot I have tomorrow, that I should come with my hair free, that I'm going to be doing a bun. I thought I was going to wear a bob wig all this while because of the outfit. And so that's why I went to wash and spend money on this hair. I'm so pained. Because that day at the salon, lady was asking me should she do small or medium. I should have just like big, medium, small, and I chose this size. If I had known that anything like this, I'd have just done like 2 braids or something. But it's all good, sure. I'm pretty excited for the shoot tomorrow. Oh my god. I think so. I've heard this story like several times. And then
Come on, made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. No
You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lights. No way I'd let you.
This will be the first time I'm speaking in this vlog, right? Right? I don't even know. But hi, Bookies, and welcome back to the channel again. I have been very limited in filming, honestly, for the past couple of weeks because I've been battling storage space. This content creation thing, it's just from one hurdle to the other. So nowadays, I just try to make like very short clips without talking. It's quite limiting, but that's while I'm trying to sort that out, that's what I'm doing to hold myself. I'm trying to decorate my room. I've had these items for the longest time, but I've just not had the time. Today is Salah, compliments of the season, by the way. So since I don't have work today, let me use that opportunity to at least, even if I can do half, I would do that. And then, yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'll speak again because, like I said, preserving space. I lied. I'm speaking again. So these are the stickers I want to do today. This one for my kitchen, and then I'm going to put this one here in the room, and some of this butterfly stickers. I bought this wallpaper designs because I used them before I painted the room, but I didn't remember that my former paint was satin paint, and this kind of stickers, they stick easily to satin paints, but none of them are sticking. I've tried to stick them and none of them are sticking. Thankfully, I have a double-sided tape, so I want to try to do that. I'm lucky enough that these are like this particular word sticker. You just remove them individually. I hope my explanation makes sense. Anyway, when I do it, you'll see, sure. all done and I am super pleased with the results so far. Like it's giving everything I wanted. Very girly, very calm. I love it. I still want to do some frames on the side of the wall in a week or two. So yeah, I'm happy. Ouch, my head. Ow. I got this braids yesterday, so my scalp is a little bit tight. But yeah, I'm really, really loving like the vibe of the room.